Today I'm unboxing the Rite in the Rain waterproof paper all-weather 4x6 inch 3-pack of pads from Amazon. So keep watching. So we're just gonna jump into it here. If I can find where there it is. Okay, and then we'll up here. So here is our waterproof paper. So these are the 4x6 waterproof Rite in the Rain paper pads. There's a 3-pack of them here for $12. So yeah, head on over there and check them out. I'm gonna be doing a review of these here pretty soon, so these are awesome. So yeah, just check them out. So that was the real quick unboxing there. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more like it, check out the channel. Please like this video and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.